Hey everyone, today I will show you how to wire transfer on Citibank. First of all, log into your Citibank online banking account and go to the transfer tab and select wire transfers from the option. Next, enter the recipient's details. This include their full name, bank name, account number, and the bank routing or SWIFT code. Double check these details to ensure accuracy. Now specify the amount you want to send and choose the currency if it's an international transfer. Keep in mind that Citi may charge a fee based on the transfer type. Once all the details are entered, review everything carefully. Ensure that all recipient and transfer details are correct as mistakes can be costly with wire transfers. After confirming, submit the transfer. You will receive a confirmation that includes the transfer details. Save this for your records just in case you need to reference it later. And that's it. You can monitor the transfer in your Citibank account under transaction history. Funds typically arrive within 1 to 3 business days for domestic transfers and 3 to 5 business days for international ones.